Hey fam, welcome back to my channel. It's me, your girl itsme. How you doing? Today I'm gonna be making some buffalo chicken dip for the girls. They wanted some buffalo chicken dip, so I got my ingredients. I got some cream cheese, this sour cream for the top, blue cheese crumbles, ranch, hot sauce, and my seasonings for my chicken, and the cheese for the chicken, and then the chicken. Okay. So my chicken was already defrosted and already washed off, and yes, my hands is already clean. So I'm putting my chicken in the oven. I have my chicken heated or preheated. My chicken. Got my oven preheated already at 350. So I'm about to put my chicken in, season it, and show y'all how I make my buffalo chicken dip. All right, so let that soak. You only need to like season the top layer because you don't want it too salty. So that seasoned salt, pepper, my chicken seasoning. Alright, so we're gonna put the chicken in the oven for about 20 minutes and then you're gonna flip it. So I'm gonna put my chicken in and I'm gonna holler at y'all later. Alright y'all, since it's been about 25 minutes, I took my chicken out and now I'm about to flip it. On the other side, it's not seasoned, but so what? I don't want it salty. So I'm gonna flip my chicken. And then put, let me do that again. All right. And then I'm gonna put it back in the oven for another 10 minutes and let the other side cook. And I'm gonna get back at y'all when I have to cut the chicken up and make my mix for my buffalo chicken dip. Y'all, after you get your chicken out, supposed to look a little bit something like this. Okay, so we done. I'm gonna cut it up now. So you can cut it up any way that you like. I'm just gonna slice it, dice it, and then put it to the side. BTW, that's my cousins and brother in the background. So shut up.
Yeah, it was fun.
Alright y'all, now that my chicken all good and cut up, so I'm gonna put it in the pot. It's half of it in the pot, not all of it. But I still need to put the mix in, the cream cheese and the blue cheese crumbles. Child, I'm gonna show y'all. Alright, so I'm gonna put it half like that. Like that, so. Add the cream cheese. Cheese crumbles, half because I only want to I still got chicken left. Ranch. And no, I don't do measurements. I just go with my ancestors. Be like, stop. That's it. And I'm not gonna put too much hot sauce because everybody gotta eat this and I don't want it too hot. So it's always as hot as how much hot sauce you pull in it. Let me take the top off because I ain't got time for all that. Like that. Get the mix in. Hold on, get out my spoon now. So come a little closer to these. So this is how it's supposed to be. Once you get the mix in. Shoot, this cream cheese be getting all stuck. I was about to touch it. Shoot hot. Now we get to add the other chicken in. Let that mix so. Okay. I'm gonna add the rest of the chicken in. Let that cook some. Let the cream cheese and the blue cheese crumbles melt a little bit. And then I'm gonna start adding my shredded cheese in. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna add the rest of the ingredients in. Add more cream cheese. Add the rest of the blue cheese crumbles. Now I'm gonna add my mozzarella cheese. This is the sharp cheddar cheese. Mix it all up. Oh, and I'm gonna add some more hot sauce because it's not giving the color that I want. I know it's not gonna be too hot because it's not the color that I want. So just a little bit more hot sauce. And mix it like that. So alright, so once I get it all mixed up and let all the ingredients mix in together, I'm gonna come back to y'all and show y'all the final touch. Alright y'all, so this is how my finishing touch of my stovetop buffalo chicken dip looking. If you enjoyed this vlog, give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe, share, like, comment. You can eat some tortilla, whatever the damn shit is. You can eat some chips with it. You can make a wrap with it. You can do whatever you want to do with it. But if you enjoyed this vlog, give your girl a thumbs up, subscribe, share, like, and comment. Okay, cheese, peace, okay. Bye. Bye.